In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now click on this icon with a sun and an A on it, located next to brightness slider. If the icon turns blue, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can always switch it off by clicking on the same one again. If you wish to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down just a bit, click on display and brightness, and tap on this switcher next to auto brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!